Hello everyone, and welcome to DevWave Diaries. Here, we dive into the latest web development trends and coding techniques. If you're passionate about tech and eager to learn, you're in the right place. In today's episode, we're diving into the exciting world of web development and showing you how to create eye-catching border animations using CSS. First, let's create the HTML structure for our animation. Start by adding a div element with the ID box. Inside the box div, create another div with the ID in. This simple HTML setup will be all we need to start building our animation. Next, let's dive into the CSS for our animation. First, we'll set up some basic CSS rules to ensure everything looks consistent. Add the CSS boilerplate code with margin, 0, padding, 0, and box sizing, border box. This will remove any default margins and paddings and ensure that our layout calculations include the padding and border. Next, style the HTML and body elements. Set their width and height to 100% so that they cover the entire viewport. Apply a dark background color using background, #0D0808. To center our content, use display, flex, justify content, center, and align items, center. This will align our content both horizontally and vertically in the center of the screen. Now let's move on to styling the box div. Set its width and height to 400 px to define its size. Use background, #2f2f2f, for the container's background color. Add padding, 8 px, inside the container for some spacing. For rounded corners, use border radius, 10 px. Next, style the div, which is nested inside the box div. Set its width and height to 100% so it fills the entire box. Apply a background color of #111 to make it a bit darker. Add border radius, 10 px, to match the rounded corners of the outer container. Set position, relative, to allow for any future positioning of elements or animations within this div. Also, make sure to add position, relative, to the #box div. This is important because it will allow us to position any child elements or animations relative to this container in the next steps. Now, let's enhance the #box div with an after pseudo element. Use #box, after to target the pseudo element that will be added after the content of the #box div. Use content to create an empty pseudo element. Set position, absolute, to position the pseudo element relative to the #box div, which has position, relative. Use top, 50%, and left, 50%, to position the pseudo element in the center of the box. Apply transform, translate, -50%, -50%, to adjust the positioning so that the pseudo element is perfectly centered. Set height, 600 px, and width, 200 px, to define the size of the pseudo element. Use background, white, to give it a white background color. Now, open the browser. You should see a white div positioned on top of the other div element. This white div is centered within the #box container, thanks to the after pseudo element we added. Also, update the transform property to include a rotation. Set transform, translate, -50%, -50%, rotate, 45 degrees. This will not only center the white div but also rotate it 45 degrees. Also, add z-index, 99, to the hashtag and div element. This will position the hashtag and div on top of other elements, ensuring it appears above them. Now, set overflow, hidden, on the #box div to remove any overflowing content. Open the browser, and you should see a box with a clean appearance and two corners with a beautiful border effect. To understand the effect better, comment out the overflow, hidden, style for now. We will uncomment it later when we need to apply it again. Now, let's add an animation to rotate the white box. Set animation, animate 3-second linear infinite, where animate is the name of the animation and the duration is 3 seconds. Next, define the animation by creating at keyframes animate. Inside this, specify 100% and set transform, translate, -50%, -50%, rotate, 225 degrees. This will rotate the white box by 225 degrees while keeping it centered. Now, open the browser, and you should see the white box rotating continuously at the center of the #box div. Now, uncomment the overflow, hidden, style for the #box div. Then, open the browser again, and you should see a beautiful border animation around the box. Now, let's enhance the white box with a new style. Add box shadow, 0010 px white, 0040 px white, 0080 px white, to the white box. This will create a smooth, glowing effect around the border, enhancing the animation's appearance. Now, open the browser, and you should see an amazing, beautiful glowing border animation around the box. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest content. Your support helps us create more exciting and valuable videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of DevWave Diaries.